Okay, hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about waste and try to reduce our waste. And at home, in my family, we don't like the end bits of bread here. So they often end up in the bin, which is something I don't like. So what can we do with them? One of the things we can do is garlic bread. And this is what we are going to do today. Garlic bread. What do we need? We need some bread, we need garlic clove, some salt, butter and chives. It's not necessary, but you can if you want to. Alright, my oven is on the go, my grill is actually on the go. I'm going to put these two in the toaster, but on like half the setting, so it's not completely be toasted, just really little bit. Okay, let's get on with the garlic. So first things first, we're going to peel this garlic, you chop the end bits off, and you see you nearly have nothing left in here. Right. That goes in the bin. Okay, we're going to crush our garlic. And we're going to chop it. Really small little bits using the claw technique. Right, bring it all back together. And we keep on going. Okay. Now the idea is that I'm going to grind this garlic with a bit of salt. So let's bring it back together. I'm going to crush it again, and very soon you're going to start to hear the juices coming out. So it's going to mix with now the salt. Right, remember the rocking chair, hands on the blunt side. Bring it all back together. Alright, and basically what we are making here is a garlic paste. Okay, I just heard the toast coming out. Okay, look at this, listen now. Do you hear the juices? Look at this, beautiful. Okay, listen to these juices now. And that's my garlic paste. Now, once that I've done my garlic paste, I'm going to mix it with butter. Right, get some butter. A little bit more. There you go. Right. Again, you don't have to do this, but you can add some chives if you want to. Great. Okay. And now we do is just squashing all these juices in that butter. Great, you can smell it. It smells delicious. Now this is how to make garlic butter. So first you do your paste, then you mix it with garlic. This is amazing to mix, put on your steak. Once your steak is cooked, just let it melt on top. It is gorgeous. There's a lot of things you can do with it. And here we go. Have a look. Nice. Okay, let's get this toast. Okay, I've got my toast a little bit grilled, not too much. I'm going to take my garlic butter and I'm going to butter these toasts. As simple as that. Then I'm going to put it on my grill. Make sure it goes everywhere. Great. And we put them in the oven. And this is going to last for 1 minute, 2 minutes max. It doesn't have to be too much. Okay, so bear with me. Great stuff. Okay, check these out. Alright. So you can do now if you want to, is you can cut them in triangles. How you want it, to be honest, doesn't matter. And this is your garlic bread. Easy peasy, nothing complicated. This goes really well with lasagna, spaghetti bolognese, anything, just appetizers, just as a snack, always great. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have learned something today. So, keep on cooking. Stay safe, look after each other, and see you soon everyone. Thank you for watching.